Hi everyone! In this video I want to show you how to make these gorgeous but super easy earrings. This is Banori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet method and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this tutorial I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Let's begin. Make a simple stitch, then 15 chains. Now in the first chain, make 1 slip stitch, 3 chains, and all around this ring 27 double crochet stitches. And 1 slip stitch to close up. 1 chain. In each of the stitches, 1 reverse single crochet. And this is how. Push the hook in the stitch, take the yarn and pull it out. Take these 2 loops on the hook together and pull the yarn out through them. On less other stitches, you should do this clockwise. Keep this going for all the stitches. And this is how we create a border all around the ring. And it's optional, you can totally skip this part. Now with another yarn with a different color, make 15 chains and pass this string through the first ring and make 1 slip stitch in the first chain to make a ring. 3 chains, and in this spot 27 double crochet. And 1 slip stitch to close up. Make 1 chain and let's add another beautiful border for this ring. And in each of the next stitches, 1 reverse single crochet. And again, add another yarn with a different color, 15 chains, pass this string through these 2 rings, and 1 slip stitch in the first chain, 3 chains, (27 double crochet in this spot, one slip stitch, and for the border In each stitch, 1 reverse single crochet. And that's it. And if you want to know how to attach these needle closure clasps behind the earrings, you can watch it from here at the top corner of this video. If you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day!